With our lessons on coding all the way up to advanced things,
inspect crops with the color center, even in a crowded classroom. You won't have to worry about Bluetooth connection issues because the drone is a perfect application for use in math and science subjects, and repairable.
There are two ways to compete in an aerial drone competition. Piloting teamwork matches, teams compete in a 2-minute match on a 24-foot by 24-foot competition. There are a total of 74 balls in an aerial drone competition blackout match. Balls. Completely clearing one of your starting lanes will earn your alliance 10 The alliance with the higher number of their colored balls scored in a goal at the end of the match 4 locations to land their drone to earn points, to guide them to landing. Communication skills will be critical, and landing on the small landing site earns 40 points, in which they have 60 seconds of autonomous drone operation to score points. Drone competition game manual found at roboticseducation.org. To register a team,